Removing admin access is crucial for security. Unauthorized admins can compromise your campaigns, budgets, and billing information. This is especially important for compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Unauthorized access can lead to financial losses or compliance violations. Ignoring this can lead to ad fraud and wasted ad spend. Timely revocation minimizes risks associated with former employees, contractors, or compromised accounts. This is especially important in 2026 amid rising phishing attacks. Google Ads provides different user roles with varying levels of access and permissions. Admins have full control over campaigns, budgets, billing, and user management. Standard users have limited permissions for viewing and editing specific campaigns. Other roles include email only, billing, and read-only with restricted access. This interface shows the different access levels when inviting users. Revoking admin access downgrades the user or removes their permissions entirely. Navigate to Tools and Settings, Measurement, Users to manage permissions. Understanding roles ensures secure access management and follows the principle of least privilege. First, log into your Google Ads account as an owner or admin. Next, navigate to Tools and Settings, then Measurement, and select Users. Find the user you want to remove and click on their name. You'll see an option to remove or adjust their permissions. Choose Remove to completely revoke access. For Google Workspace linked accounts, remember that changes might sync across other Google services. Google Ads has implemented enhanced security measures, requiring mandatory two-factor authentication for all admin roles as of late 2025. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a security process that requires two different forms of verification before granting access. Typically, this includes something you know, like your password, and something you have, such as a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. As of late 2025, Google Ads now requires mandatory two-factor authentication for all admin roles. This security measure ensures that even if someone obtains a password, they still cannot access the account without the second verification factor. This illustration shows the four-step process of two-factor authentication. First, logging in with username and password, then receiving and entering a verification code or using a security key, and finally gaining access to the account. Here, you can see the two-step verification settings in a Google account, showing how the feature has been enabled and is protecting multiple devices signed into the account. This diagram demonstrates how the server verifies credentials and sends a unique code to the user's device, which must then be entered to complete the authentication process. The key benefit of two-factor authentication is that it provides an additional layer of security beyond just passwords. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account. We strongly recommend that all users, particularly those with admin roles, enable 2FA on their Google accounts to ensure comprehensive protection for your Google Ads account. Google Ads Access Levels feature allows you to assign granular permissions. This gives you fine control over what each user can do in your account. Implement the principle of least privilege, granting users only the access they absolutely need. This security principle helps minimize risks by limiting permissions to what's essential for each role. For example, give some users read-only access instead of full edit rights. This allows them to view campaigns without making changes, reducing accidental modifications. Regularly audit user permissions to ensure they align with current roles and responsibilities. As team members change jobs or leave, their access levels should be updated accordingly. Over-permissioning increases security risks. When users have more access than needed, it creates opportunities for mistakes, data breaches, or malicious activities. Monitoring and auditing user activity is crucial for maintaining security in Google Ads. Let's explore how to effectively track and review access changes. Google Ads provides comprehensive audit logs that track all user activity and access changes within your account. Regularly reviewing these audit logs allows you to spot any suspicious behavior that might indicate unauthorized access or misuse. Google's built-in anomaly detection system automatically flags unusual activity patterns that deviate from normal behavior. When anomalies are detected, it prompts you to investigate and potentially revoke access if unauthorized activity is confirmed. Enhanced logging capabilities in Google Ads help with compliance audits required by regulations like GDPR and CCPA, while ensuring full accountability for all user actions. Real-world examples show the critical impact of properly managing Google Ads admin access. In 2025, a mid-sized e-commerce firm faced unauthorized bid adjustments by a former contractor. By quickly revoking their admin access, the company prevented $50,000 in wasted ad spend and maintained their campaign performance. Another case from 2024 involved a large enterprise during a reorganization. Using sub-account segmentation, they revoked admin access for 200 users simultaneously. This proactive approach avoided potential data leaks and ensured compliance with privacy regulations. These real-world cases highlight the significant financial and reputational risks of neglecting proper access management in Google Ads. Timely revocations can protect ad budgets and maintain trust with stakeholders. AI-assisted access management tools are emerging to help manage permissions more intelligently. Google's Smart Permissions Beta, for example, analyzes user behavior and suggests revoking access for inactive users or those showing unusual activity patterns. Looking ahead, access management will integrate with zero-trust security models. In these systems, access is continuously verified based on context, such as user location or device security, and can be time-bound to automatically revoke permissions after a set period. As privacy laws evolve, they may mandate AI-driven audits of user access. These automated systems would continuously monitor for compliance issues and suggest or even automatically revoke access for non-compliant users to protect sensitive data. Proactive management of user access is essential for maintaining security. Regularly reviewing and adjusting permissions, rather than waiting for issues, significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and potential breaches. The future will bring an increase in sophisticated revocation tools, fueled by technological advancements such as quantum-resistant authentication. These tools will make access management more secure and efficient as threats evolve.